Welcome to my Crypto Johannes channel. Today we're going to take a look at GAMEONFORGE. We will examine what it is and how it works.
Crypto Johannes.
Before we start, let's make it clear that this video does not contain any financial advice in any ways. You must make your own research before you invest in anything. If you enjoy my reviews, you can leave a like, and if you find my content enjoyable, then you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember, your comments are always welcome. Now, let's start. Combining the fundraising approach of Y Combinator with the engagement dynamics of Epic Games, GAMEONFORGE provides a comprehensive platform for game developers, streamers, and Web3 investors. Their success is already visible, having onboarded over 300 streamers and creating a platform that provides opportunities for both traditional and Web3 gaming ecosystem. The platform also utilizes NFTs as part of its liquid vesting solution, providing a robust option for investors. Their focus is on driving genuine user adoption through immersive quests, social rewards, and a native token GOF that serves as the backbone of their ecosystem. By offering a dynamic platform where users can engage, earn, and level up, GAMEONFORGE plans to appeal to both mainstream gamers and growing Web3 gaming community. One of the key features that set GAMEONFORGE apart is its second-generation questing platform, which allowed users to complete quests to earn points, claim rewards, and access token sales. The platform's quest system has already seen strong user engagement. GAMEONFORGE Quest's public testing won through over 1,136 participants, while a more recent quest campaign offered 100 USDT in rewards. This was all the way back at the beginning of this year, and now they have a much bigger community. Users earn social points, which are SPs, by completing quests and leveling up. These points not only help users climb the leaderboard, but also unlock access to exclusive token sales and weekly rewards. For instance, one user recently earned 56 EXP points, placing them in rank 21,452 out of 100,000 in current leaderboard. GAMEONFORGE is developing a game launcher set for a closed beta launch in Q4 2024. This launcher will serve as a hub for organic game discovery and streamlined access to Web3 games. The focus will be on attracting traditional gamers while offering a unified experience that integrates both traditional and blockchain-based games. Now let me tell you about GOF token and the tokenomics. The GOF token is the important thing now. It powers various platforms' features, including payments, access to the launchpad, staking rewards, airdrops, and more. The tokenomics of GOF are meticulously planned to ensure long-term sustainability and value for holders. Token rounds and pricing is as follows. Seed round raised $600,000 at a price of $0.10 per GOF with a vesting schedule of 6% unlock at TGE and remaining 94% over 9 months. Private round raised $1,425,000 at $0.15 per GOF with 7.92% unlock at TGE and monthly unlocks over 9 months. Strategic round raised $255,000 at $0.17 per GOF with 11.25% unlock at TGE. And finally, public round set for $0.20 per GOF with 20% unlock at TGE and 4-month vesting schedule. GAMEONFORGE is conducting an exciting token sale on the Tenset.io platform, giving you the opportunity to get in early on their innovative GOF token. The sale kicks off on September 19, 2024, with round 1 offering a guaranteed allocation for 24 hours, followed by a first-come, first-serve, round 2 starting on September 20th. And here are the details. Price $0.20 per GOF, total raised 300,000 USDT. The IDO and listing for GOF are set for September 2024, with the token being listed on Tier 1 exchanges. The initial market cap will be $415,000 with an exclusive liquidity provision. The total supply of GOF will be 100 million tokens, making it a critical asset for platform participants. GAMEONFORGE is a project which values referral campaign. By referring friends, users can earn rewards, including access to exclusive token sales and additional social points. Thanks to their massive marketing efforts and solid background, GAMEONFORGE has secured significant backing from major players in the venture capital blockchain industries. Their backers include Tide Group, BTS Ventures, Sierra Nova Capital, Angelo, and EIPC Group. Partnerships with leading platforms such as Gate, L-Bank, BNB Chain, and Pop Socials further enhance their credibility and network reach. Now let me tell you about their roadmap. GameOnForge has an ambitious roadmap aimed at expanding its ecosystem and further integrating its platform into the broader gaming and blockchain space. Key milestones include Q4 2024, closed beta launch of the game launcher, and in progress, SDK API for Game Quest, venture onboarding, launchpad development, and NFT marketplace. And they have achieved a lot. For example, 300 plus traditional streamers onboarded, second generation Quest platform is ready, traditional PUBG clan Sinister onboarded, partnership with Rubik Studio, a Singapore-based game studio. With strong achievements and commitment to engaging users through Quest-based incentives, combined with the power of the GOF token, creates a robust ecosystem. If you wish to get the latest news and updates on the platform, you should follow them on social channels. Their Twitter account has nearly reached 100k users and they have regular AMA sessions and campaigns going on, as you can see. It is also a good idea to check them out on Discord and Telegram, which has more than 40k members combined. They have detailed white paper for the nerds as well. You should also check out the testnet sale, which has the lower price before the token launch on September. The links are in the description. That will be it for today's video. We looked at various details about GameOnForge. Take care and stay safe.